Hey guys, how about an unboxing video today? Now, I am so excited for this product. It is not a sponsored video by any means. I just really wanted a vacuum cleaner where I could just let it go and do its business 2 or 3 times a day and keep my hardwood floors clean. So I do have pets, and the dog hair is insane. I have an older dog that sheds like crazy, and I'm hoping this will just help me get control of all the dog hair. So this is a product that I purchased from Wayfair on their website, wayfair.com. And this was on sale for about $89, I believe. These vacuum cleaners are outrageous if you get like a Roomba and some of the more expensive brands. No, I take this back. I think this was $149. I think it was $149. I'll have to look at my invoice and insert it in this video just to make sure I give you the right price. But I thought I would unbox my new toy with you today, and then I will charge it up and then maybe give you a little demonstration before the video ends. So this is, let's see if I can pronounce it correctly. It's Infinuvo robotic vacuum cleaner. So the name of it's right there at the top, as you can see. And let's turn this box around here and start trying to open it. I'm excited. Okay. So you get to see what I see as I see it. Oh. Okay, so we got her upside down, and it looks like we're going to have a little bit of assembly. Let's see here. Those just click right into place there, and not sure where. Oh, this is just an extra brush because there's already one in there. Okay, so this is what the bottom of this vacuum cleaner looks like, and it comes with a little remote control. So that's pretty cool. That must be the charger for it. And let's see here. Let's pull these out. And let's flip her over. So y'all have to help me name my handy little robot vacuum cleaner here. Oh, it's heavy. I think it weighs about 9 pounds. Pretty. Okay, let's turn it around here. It's hard to do all this with one hand. Cute. So again, you can find this vacuum cleaner at wayfair.com. And I'm going to read up on it and then come back and give you a little more detail on it. Okay, so this is an automatic 3-in-1 automatic robotic vacuum that can help to sweep, vacuum, and sanitize your floors all at the same time. It works best on hardwood floors, which are hardwood, laminate, vinyl, linoleum, tile, marble, and stone. But we do not recommend to use it on medium low pile carpet or plush carpet. So I am going to have some nice clean floors. I'm going to love this. So I do need to charge it up first, and then we're going to test it out.